Hey, Math 7. Today we are testing solutions to inequalities. Let's get started on the first one. Which of the following p-values satisfies the following inequality? So here's our inequality right here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this inequality. But you're going to notice when I rewrite it, I do it a little differently. I put an equal sign in there instead of the actual inequality sign. And I just solve it as though I normally would any equation. So first step is I got to get rid of the plus 1. How do you get rid of a positive 1? You add a negative 1. But whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. That way the 1's on this side cancel. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So I have 4p equals 2p. I'm sorry, 4 equals 2p. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, the number in front of the p. And so I do that to both sides, and I get p equals 2. Now, I'm just going to reintroduce, that inequality sign back in. So 2 is greater than or equal to p, or I like to read it from the p side of things. P is less than or equal to 2. So which of these numbers are less than or equal to 2? Well, 0 is less than, 1 is less than, 2 is equal to p, but this says less than or equal to, so that works as well. Okay, let's try the next one. So here's our equation right here, our inequality. 8 is greater than 3 plus t divided by 4. So again, I'm going to rewrite this, only I'm going to rewrite this one without an inequality sign, just put an equal sign in there. First step is I've got this 3 I need to get rid of. How do I cancel out a positive 3? I do that with a negative 3, so I'll add a negative 3 to both sides. 8 and negative 3 makes 5. These 3's cancel, so I'm just left with the t over 4 left over. Now, t is being divided by 4. What's the opposite of divide by 4? You would say multiply. So we're going to multiply by, hopefully you noticed my mistake there. That should be a 4 right there, people. That should be a times 4. I apologize for that. That should be a times 4. That way the 4 and what should have been a 4 will cancel each other. And 5 times 4 is 20. Well, I got this part right. I just wrote down the wrong number here. I did it correctly, I just had the wrong thing going there. So please forgive my mistake there. So anyways, t equals 20. Then I'm going to reintroduce this inequality sign right back here. So reading it from the t side of things, t is less than 20. Well, let's see, 12 is less than 20, I can check that. 16 is less than 20, I can check that. 20 is not less than 20, 20 is equal to, but this doesn't give me the equal sign. So this one does not get checked. That's how you do it, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.